Academic Staff Union of Universities don't enter strike. My people, you are welcome to 101 TV, and I here be the Aproko Show, where we give you all the latest gist where they happen in town. As you already know, Nigeria now, all the group, the people, the body where the whole universities now, they don't enter strike, they don't vex. I don't tell you before say if Nigeria get problem, no be only Buhari be our problem. The government, all those people where they under and where they support and left and right, now them they join for all these problems where they get for Nigeria. In case you never know, I don't tell you again for the second time, because now as it be now, everywhere they hot. They say they know they do again, and now if they want me to resume, they supposed to pay them their salaries and their allowance. Government, pay these people their salary, oh. Pay them their salary. I don't know whether now only me they notice all these things. If these politicians, they won't enter seat, if they won't win election, or the way they go, they promise you heaven and earth. Hey! They go tell you, we will do this, we will do that. Even the thing where they know say they know if you do, they go promise, say they go do it. All in the name of just make they just carry that thing, make them win that thing. After they win them, sorry na your name, both citizens or non-citizens, una go just there they suffer. Look, just see what they happen to these people now. Everybody just like they just go on break. They say they know they do again because they no want pay them. Now one man sit down for one chair where don't decide say you know go give people money. Pay them their money. Pay them because they have a lot of things to do. If you don't have if you don't have heart, some people have heart. I don't understand all these politicians. I don't they tell our President Buhari, I don't they tell you things that the third time I go talk this matter. You too they sleep. Wake up. You too they sleep because these people now see how they play Ludo on top citizens their head. They play and you know nice. Look now. As they don't resign, as they don't go on break, everybody done their house. You don't even know whether they get food. You don't even know how they chop. You don't even know, like, at least make we get sense now. Make we get sense. All these things, not everything they suppose they tell person. They could not behave. All these politicians, if you know, so they watch this video, I know they smile. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. All right, my people, no time. We get another news where I bring for now today. This one hot. Women don't scarce. Women. Hey, you see the way COVID-19 day. Now, so women day now. Now, men, they avoid women. Because women now, they like coronavirus. Nobody want coronavirus. And now, they look for the small ones. All those small girls where never even get anything. Now those ones they want. Like, say, the adults get disease. It be like saying, wait, I don't notice now because, hey, the things where they happen, my people, hey, this one is strong. And the matana no be say, they find small children. No. This one, now, even their relatives. Ha. Now, this very man, 51-year-old man, look at the age difference. He go rape 14-year-old girl. Brother, why? And it's, oh, now his stepdaughter, in relative, now this man go rape. No, because no be in real daughter now. Although at the year matter where even the blood relatives they do am direct. But this man wicked because you know say not be in pikin. So after therefore you not go even lose anything. You kukuma do am. And this one now, the thing when now we come they pay me, they say they carry and go court, and the man even come they talk say the judge come they tell them say this man you will be on bail. How person will rape pikin go be on bail? Lock him up 3 years in prison, and as he did that prison, made them they rape him anyhow. Put him in you see doctor's prescription morning, afternoon, and night. Now what they supposed give this kind of man? Old man like you no go respect yourself. You just decide say not to they rape small children. Which kind of thing be this one? Look at your age, 51. 51 years old, you no go rest. What you still dey fine? Wait till you still dey fight. I don't even know say you still get stress. You supposed to retire by now. Your mates are in their houses. They have retired. Now your age now suppose they house with woman wey na only good money honey. They know they do anything again. But you want to do. I need to study law to deal with people like you. And people, I don't know if una dey feel wetin I dey feel, but if una dey feel like the way the thing they do me, I beg right am there. I need to know how this thing because it's not normal. It's not normal. We need to wake up. Don't forget, subscribe this thing. Nah. So I talk like this. Subscribe and comment and share this video. Make everybody know wetin dey sup for Aproko Show. I go leave una here with this one. One love. Arise, O compatriot. Hello, my people. You are welcome to the Aproko Show. Now here be one-on-one TV. Any gist where you find, where now here you go find out. Nigeria is under attack. Where the IGP now don't come say SWAT. I know say most of you don't hear about this SWAT. Why? What is the need of SWAT? If una see, they say now na training, say they suppose undergo training, and before they select you for the training, you suppose undergo a psychological and mental or medical examination. This thing suppose they tell una something. All those people where they SARS before, now they say they know undergo this thing because all of them just they behave like mad people everywhere. If you see training, I beg, for una we never watch this video, una we never hear about SWAT, make we watch the video.
Higher, 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 higher. I want to see Maria. The bike should be out. Sir. Yo! Active guard! Position! Take! Yeah! One! Three! Yeah! Four! Yeah! Five! Yeah! One! Yeah! Two! Yeah! Three! Yeah! Four! Yeah!
See them. Even one way get pot belly. Wait till they find for SWAT. Wait, that one now, if they chase her, I'm not even sure say if he run. Now you won't go save person life. Look at her. I don't know whether na dance, I been a kung fu then they do. You know what, Cham? The only person where look like he gets more sense for them, and the one where wear black, the leader. Now only that one. I don't know why they supposed approve this kind of thing. I still they wonder why. What is the need? When the SARS self, una never do anything about them. Una come they bring another set of people inside the matter. I even hear say Minister of Police Affairs even join. Say him come out, come they check wetin they go on for the place. Say they check them out. All of una just they blind. All of una just they blind. But SWAT people, una self now una blind pass. You people don't know your future. You don't know when to move forward. If una no get work to do, look for better job. Go. I not even sure say una even go school because people will go school supposed to know. By now, nobody supposed tell una say this thing now useless. No be me talk am. Una go soon hear and now say SWAT have scatter. No be only NSAS. Now we go the year NSWAT. Make una wait. Nigeria does not need SARS. Nigeria does not need SWAT. Work on your government. It is as simple as that. Work on your government. You don't need all those things. And Buhari, you are my major problem because you have been sleeping on these things for long. You have been sleeping. Wake up.